Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.9, Problem 28. This is Section 1.9, Problem 28. It says use the correct order of operations to solve the following problem. And we have 2 times, in parentheses, 3 to the second power minus 5, then minus 25 divided by 5. So now there are a lot of things to keep track of, but I do see parentheses. So if you have parentheses, you need to do the parentheses first. But even within the parentheses, there are 2 different operations. You have an exponent, or second power, and a subtraction. So between exponent and subtraction, you need to do the exponent first. So let me write this as 2 times, in the parentheses, 3 to the second power. 3 times 3 will become a 9 minus 5. The rest will stay the same for now. Minus 25 divided by 5. So I still have parentheses, but within the parentheses there's only one operation left, which is 9 minus 5. So now the 2 in front will stay in front for this one more step, times 9 minus 5, in the parentheses 9 minus 5 is 4. Now the parentheses are done. Minus 25 divided by 5. So now what's left? I have a multiplication, I have a subtraction, and I have a division. So the multiplication and division have a higher importance than the subtraction. You have to do the multiplication and division first. Between the multiplication and the division, they have the same level of importance. So the rule is you do whichever one first that's written first in the problem as you read it from left to right. So the multiplication comes up first as you read the problem from left to right. The next thing I need to do is the 2 times 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. So we'll have 8 minus, and the rest will stay. 25 stays, divided by 5 stays. So now I'm down to only 2 operations left. I have a subtraction and a division. And the division is absolutely something that needs to be done before the subtraction. So now the 8 will stay, the minus stays, the 25 divided by 5 is 5. So now I'm down to just 8 minus 5, which is 3. So the final answer is 3.